Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV streamer 4K device to Motorola mobile phone. See, here I can browse content, I can select movie or show, then I can watch. See, I will show you how we can set up this, what are the commands required, how we can connect all these commands together. So these are the commands. So we need this Google TV streamer 4K device, Motorola mobile phone, Pi box video capture unit, USB to USB Type-C adapter, remote of this device, HDMI cable, USB power cable of this Google TV streamer. We have to connect this USB to USB Type-C adapter to Pi box video capture unit like this. Then here on the back side of this video capture unit, we can find this HDMI port. Here we can connect HDMI cable. Okay, done. Next I am going to connect video capture unit to mobile phone. Done. After that, in mobile phone we need to install one app. This app, USB camera app. You can install this app from Google Play Store. I already installed this app. Let me open. Tap on this icon. Tap on OK. If you are seeing blank screen, you can just press any button on the remote. See, now I can browse. See, I can set movie or show, then I can play it. Next I will show you settings of this app. Tap anywhere on the screen, tap on the settings icon. Here we can change resolution. We can change resolution from HD to full HD. Let me change this, then save. See, let me again go to settings. We can change frame rate, video format, flip settings, brightness, contrast, saturation. So all these things we can change. You can try that. Let me close it. If you want to capture screenshot from movie or show, you can use this button. See, saved picture. If you want to record movie or show, we can use this video record button. Tap here. See, start recording. If you want to stop, you can again tap here and stop. This way we can connect Google TV streamer 4K device to Motorola mobile phone. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.